Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your vehicle's headlights. First, find a level surface and park your car exactly 25 feet from a wall. Make sure the vehicle is perpendicular to the wall. For accurate aiming, ensure your fuel tank is full and there is about 160 pounds of weight in the driver's seat. Also, confirm your tires are correctly inflated. Next, you'll need to mark your aiming point on the wall. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of your low-beam headlight's inner projector lens. This is your reference height. Now, transfer this measurement to the wall, marking it clearly. Then, draw a horizontal line across the wall at this precise height, spanning the width of your vehicle. Now, let's find the adjustment screws. Open your vehicle's hood to expose the headlight assemblies. Look for the vertical adjustment screws, typically found near the top or back of each headlight housing. Depending on your specific model, you might find 1 or 2 adjusters per headlight. These often require a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket. With your low beams on, block one headlight with cardboard to focus on the other. Use your screwdriver or socket to turn the vertical adjuster. Turning it clockwise will raise the beam, and counterclockwise will lower it. Adjust until the top edge of the intense light zone aligns with the horizontal line on the wall. Once one side is done, repeat the exact process for the other headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.